Hi, first graders. Today we're going to be singing the Muffin Man. And along with our singing, we're also going to be composing. You're going to be creating a ti-ti-ta pattern using muffins. So since you're watching my video, you've already figured out how to get here. That's great. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to be a composer today. Make sure to not do this part until after the whole video because we have some fun things that we're going to be doing. So you're over here, it says, do you know the Muffin Man? Watch my video and then draw me a muffin rhythm. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna hit right here where it says add response. You're not gonna do this until after the video. I'll click sample student because I'm not a student, I'm a teacher. And then boop, there is my song. It says, oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Try that with me, here you go. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Tap the beat on your head, here we go. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Crisscross, try again. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Awesome. So once you have the song, we're going to compose. You're going to compose by putting some muffins on plates. On each plate, you can put one muffin or you can put two muffins. It's your choice, one muffin or two muffins, and you get to design your muffin. Your muffin can look like anything. Maybe you are a very good artist, like our art teacher, Miss Pennington, and you want to draw a muffin on there. I could give the muffin a little squiggly top right there. I could give it a little bottom, and that kind of looks like a muffin. I am not an artist like Miss Pennington, but I am doing my best right there. That looks like a muffin, and that would be ta because it's one muffin. But let's say that you do not feel like an artist today. I have an easy way for you to do this also, because today I'm just not feeling like an artist. If you go over here to the triple dots, those three in a row, I can click a shape and just choose a shape to represent your muffin. So let me see, I'm gonna have star muffins. Why not? That would be delicious. If there was a star muffin in a store, I would 100% order that. So I'm gonna make it maybe a little bit smaller so it's easier to see, and I'll put it right there. So I put one star muffin on my first plate. And the great thing about the shapes is that you can duplicate them to make it a little easier. So I'm gonna put another single one there. I think the next one, I'm gonna put two muffins on there though. One, I'll duplicate that again. There we go. We'll do two. You see, kind of squish two on there. I'm gonna put a single one on the next one, I think also. So let's start right with there. If you look at that first rhythm, it goes ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Say that with me, here you go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. After you have the first measure or that first table, you're gonna do another rhythm on the bottom for me. So let me see, I'm gonna do some more tees down here. That means I'm gonna put two stars up there. And remember that if you don't like the stars, you can do any shape you want. You can make them all different colors. You could draw a muffin each time and then duplicate that drawing. That would be okay too. You also, if you wanted to, you could find a picture of a muffin and put it in there, but that's a little too fancy for me right now. So I'm gonna stick with my stars because now I'm dreaming of star muffins. Maybe I'll find a cookie cutter and see if I can make that. All right, now if you look at the bottom line, my rhythm is different. It goes ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Clap that with me, here you go. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Now we're gonna start at the very first one, right up there. We're gonna do the first line and then the second line. Get your hands ready, here we go. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, Ti-ti-ta. Now let's say that you're really good at writing your rhythm, but you're not yet ready to clap the rhythm. You don't have to yet, that's okay. I'm gonna grab a few of these and we're gonna do them in class together. So if you don't feel like making a recording of yourself doing that star pattern or your muffin pattern, you don't have to. But let's say you're feeling fancy and you're like, I remember this from kindergarten. You could click the microphone and you could leave me a pattern like this. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. You can even sing for me. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Or do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. You stop that recording. And then when I'm happy with that, I click done. And it just kind of adds it onto there for me. All right, we're loading your post. So once you have that, maybe you don't want to clap anymore. At school, we have so many instruments, but if you look around at home, you also have so many things that you can use for instruments. I grabbed an oatmeal container and I grabbed some of my spoons. I could go, oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Oh, do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. I want you to have fun. I want you to sing, and I want you to compose. Send me something back. I would love to hear you, but as long as you draw something on those plates, I'm going to be super duper happy. All right, I can't wait to hear from you guys. Bye.